Officer arrives at McDonald's, not because he's on break, but because someone's in the drive-thru and is about to ruin everyone's night.
What's up, fam? Welcome to the Marlonated Mindstate. I am your host, Marlon C. And today, we are diving into a wild body cam video where a late night fast food run completely transforms into a high-stakes felony arrest. But before we click play on this Midwest safety footage, let's establish the necessary parameters. I am not a lawyer, and nothing discussed in this reaction is formal legal advice. We are executing an educational and analytical review of this public footage under the legal guidelines of the Fair Use Act, Section 107 of the Copyright Act. Now, I have a question for you guys. Have you ever seen someone act completely immune to the police like this? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And when you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I drop a video, you will be the first to know about it. Let's hit it.
She's on the drive-thru. She don't move.
Is she right here at the window?
Yeah, the second window.
All right, I'll go talk with her.
She gave me the wrong code. I said, this is not the location. And she said, call your manager. I'm drunk. Like, she's so, like, you don't know what she's saying.
She admits she's drunk. Okay.
Second.
Ma'am.
What?
How you doing tonight, man? What's going on?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, they try giving you your food. You don't want it. Then you need to get out of here. What? Did she pay for her food?
Forget him.
Did you pay for your food yet, ma'am?
Oh my.
You have an ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
Can I get your ID, please?
Yeah, take my ID.
Thank you.
Where does the money go?
Say again?
Money?
It goes to them. What's going on?
How much?
Ask them. I don't know the bill.
What?
No.
Yeah.
Alright, I don't know you.
Oh, yeah.
Ma'am, have you had anything to drink tonight?
My ex-girlfriend, I'm sorry.
No worries.
You
Have
said
you
my
had anything to drink
ex-girlfriend.
tonight?
Oh.
Earlier, yeah.
How long
The
ago?
boy or girl?
Oh, we said this.
Okay. All right, so what we're going to do, if you don't mind, can you step out of the car for me?
Let's pause right here. We have a classic dynamic forming. The officer responds to a disturbance call at a commercial drive-thru because she's holding up the line. But the second he talks to her, he notices signs of impairment, slurred speech, confusion, and then she explicitly admits to drinking. Legally, this admission gives the officer reasonable suspicion to expand a simple trespass or disturbance check into a full DUI investigation. He orders her to step out of the car. Now I have a question for you guys. Does a driver have the legal right to refuse to step out if they feel it isn't necessary? What do you think? The absolute legal answer is no. Under the landmark Supreme Court ruling Pennsylvania v. Mims, an officer has the absolute legal authority to order a driver out of a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop for officer safety and investigative purposes. We've been through this many a times. Refusing this command is explicitly a crime. Let's see how she handles being told no.
Not really.
Well, you're going to have to, okay?
Yeah, I don't think that's necessary.
Okay, well, I need you to step out of the car, all right?
What I think is necessary is like get my food.
All right, I'm going to ask you one more time. I need you to step out of the vehicle.
I don't know if this is a boy or girl.
Alright, let me at least answer that person's
No,
You
that's
can do
just
that outside.
definitely
No,
drunk.
I'm
That's what dang sure.
I'm giving you one last chance. I need you to step out of the vehicle right now.
You
Get about it now.
can call the forces, whatever the
Oh, what?
Ma'am, let's go.
What the hell?
Step out of the car. Ma'am.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean it. Some people going through hard times. I shouldn't laugh at them.
Step out of the vehicle. I'm going to ask you one more time. I'm going to break this window. Step out.
Shoot, I used to say, I didn't mean to laugh, but hell, I had a car back in the day where you couldn't even open the passenger's door except from the inside. I mean, the door handle was broke, but it didn't break off. But anyway.
Out of the car. Step out of the car. Open the window.
What the heck?
Open the window.
Probably can't. I'm just messing with you.
units and routes ambulance.
Ma'am, open the door.
This is a man.
I hear you.
Door.
I hear you.
Okay, then open the door. Let's go.
Is that stuff? Oh. What's in that box?
Man,
no.
put the car in park.
Uh-oh.
Put the car in park.
Oh. Uh-oh. Now he want to break it.
She's trying to flee right now.
Get out. Let's get it out of Lucha.
10-4.
I can turn. The transmission might be stuck. Yep. There you go.
I need a unit at the east side of the McDonald's and the south side.
East side and south side of McDonald's.
And there you have it, y'all. She puts the car in drive and fled the scene. The second she stepped on the gas, her legal exposure instantly multiplied. She has now committed felony, fleeing, and eluding. In most states, fleeing from a lawful police command elevates a misdemeanor traffic issue into a high-grade felony, especially because a drive-thru lane is surrounded by pedestrians and employees introducing charges of reckless endangerment. Let's see how far she actually gets. Oh, this is crazy.
She was fled down Davy Road Extension, southbound, gray Honda.
Davy Road Extension,
With a broken door handle.
54. Her front bumper's entirely ripped off.
And missing the door handle, don't forget that.
She just hit my car.
Oh, here. The danger? Oh, she didn't get flawed. Unless she...
Take it slow.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Stop preaching! Yo, someone get passenger side. Get passenger side. I got passenger. Take it slow. Let's do it by the numbers, guys. All right. Watch hands. Get cover. He's not going anywhere.
See? Even they thought it was a heat. Yeah, transmission.
Let this turn into a barricade if it needs to. Go for it. Go for it. No. Watch where he's reaching. He's reaching in the glove box. I see him. Don't worry. We got the drop if he's got anything. Let's just take this slow.
Uh-oh. Using the wrong pronouns.
Car out of there. Yo, watch crossfire.
Do not park there!
Let's look at the logistics here. She turned down a dead end, panicked, and rammed an active police vehicle trying to escape. Ramming a squad car changes the entire use of force legal paradigm. This can be interpreted as aggravated battery on an officer or using a vehicle as a deadly weapon. Notice how the supervisor on scene immediately barks out orders about crossfire and tells an officer to move their vehicle out of the line of fire. Why do you think the officers are taking it so slow and turning this into a barricade situation rather than immediately breaking her window? Tactically and legally, it's about de-escalation and safety. Now, I know we've seen many times where they just start shooting at folks. But anyway, the vehicle is contained. She cannot go anywhere. By slowing the situation down, they reduce the risk of an accidental shooting if she reaches for something hidden in the console. Let's continue.
Move your car. You're in the line of fire.
All right, everyone get off the radio.
He's drunk or got a jacked up transmission.
Hey, you're not going anywhere.
Oh, hell,
Give
hey.
it up.
Whose car is that? Did they move?
Yeah, no, it's Will's.
Okay.
Get out of the car with your hands up. It's over.
It's over,
Put your
player.
hands
Leave it
up
alone.
in the air and get out of the car. It's over. Yeah, just get out of the car. It's over. Just get out of the car. It's over. You're going to jail. Get out of the car. You're not going anywhere.
What?
Get me from right here.
Oh, no.
I'll get my shield. Smash the window. We're just going to
Either
extract
one of
her.
them was black or she listened to rap
Let's
music
get
too
ready
much.
to extract her. Hold on. She's reaching. She's reaching.
Let me see your hand!
Stop reaching.
Suit! She got her phone. She got her phone.
You guys drop your guns. We're going to have one
You don't
lethal
even, she doesn't
coverage
even
come
have a
up
door.
with us.
She doesn't even have a door handle, so.
Oh, like I said, I didn't mean to laugh at that, but on a serious note, guys, she said something in the beginning about something going on with her and a girlfriend or ex-girlfriend. People in relationships, when relationships break up, when they have problems or what have you, people react in different ways. And it's as funny as we might think this kind of stuff is, we'd be like, man, how come people act like this? I mean, just walk away. It's kind of hard. Emotional attachment is just one thing that is just hard to explain. So once they broken up or got in a fight, maybe the girl cheated on her with another chick, I don't know, or a dude, I don't know. Now she's drinking, now she's going to McDonald's, and now she's really, it seems like she wants the police to take her out. And I think they realize this, which is why they're taking this slow. That's just my opinion, but let's continue.
I got lethal. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands right now. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
I think they're being really civil with her. Can't open the door. So far. No.
I got one. It's clear. Interior's clear. One arm. Can we get close? Okay. All right.
You'll need
No
to
weapon.
unlock your iPhone first.
Get up. I'm gonna search it real quick.
Pat down. Female unit, pat down.
And we all good.
All right, get in there.
She walked into the wrong house and into the Yo, if I can get in, I can get in. Can I get in? Thank you for filming. Babe, I love it.
Boy, she is completely detached from the reality of her legal situation. Even yelling, thank you for filming. Babe, I love it. When someone is arrested, the police are legally authorized to conduct a search incident to a lawful arrest. This means they can completely search a person and the immediate passenger compartment of the vehicle for weapons or evidence of the crime, in this case, alcohol or narcotics, without needing a separate search warrant. Let's continue to watch it, see what happens.
Notification.
Did you really think I was going to stay in front of the car I was parking? Because this car would have fit through it.
We didn't want you guys. We want you over there.
I understand that, but
God forbid that turned into a shooting real quick, Osmendi. It's better letting her go forward.
Exactly.
Yeah, go through it. We got nothing so far.
Hold on.
A root beer?
It's crazy, man.
Celsius. I don't know what that is.
Really?
Yeah.
Energy drink? Oh,
Yeah, Celsius energy drink.
It's bad for your heart. Y'all, bad for your heart.
turn on your camera and spray her.
yeah, I'm on just FYI.
Oh, you are on.
Yeah,
What's she doing? Just banging everything?
but she was banging out the window.
She can't break none.
The suspect continues misbehaving in the back seat all the way to the hospital.
Crazy!
Stand over here.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
Please, please, please.
Not you the one hollering at the N word.
Put it over.
Get in there. Get her out the car. Ain't that on?
You're crazy. You
Ain't
think
that
I don't know you? You think I don't remember you?
How can you remember him? You just started.
Yo, hey!
What the
Do
hell?
not kick me!
Don't.
Kick in the head! Stop! Stop kicking me!
Stop.
Stop!
Kicking the freaking nuts, man. Yeah, twice.
Yeah, you deserve to be kicked.
Don't kick
Uh-oh.
again.
Is he bleeding?
I'll kick you as much as I want to.
Am I good to move my leg out? Hey, someone put my hand over and see what moves. That's fine. You're pretty light.
Oh, thank you, babe. I'm gonna
All right, up we go. Let's go. Butt in there.
The Hannibal
my
necklace?
butt in there.
Yeah, get your butt in there.
Well, what's the difference?
Get in the car.
Why can't I call somebody?
You will at the station.
What the is this?
We gotta go to the station first. You're about to get yoinked. Get in the car.
Oh my God! Okay, hold on. Let me.
You're
Oh, come on now. Be professional.
This suspect, Shay, was charged with felony aggravated battery on an officer, felony battery on an officer resisting without violence, and felony fleeing with disregard to the safety of people or property. She is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Man, this was a wild ride, don't you think? As the wrap-up shows, she was officially hit with felony aggravated battery on an officer, felony fleeing, and resisting without violence. On top of that, she managed to kick an officer twice in the nuts while in transport, adding additional battery charges.
This isn't Shay's first run-in with committing felonies. Back in 2022, when she was on her way to pick up her final check after being fired from a World of Beer tavern, Shay was accused of keying profanity onto her former boss's burgundy Chevy Monte Carlo. The damage was estimated at $1,200 according to the arrest report, and she was later arrested at her home for felony criminal mischief. At the time, she was already on probation for a previous burglary charge as well. Regardless of the reason why Shay keeps committing felonies, she continues to be let back out into the public as court records indicate she has posted bond and been released from custody. Suspects like this who continue a cycle of committing crimes, being arrested, and then being released cost the resources of both police officers and the community. So the question becomes, how many more felonies need to be committed and repeat offenders to be released before actual effective reform takes place? Most repeat offenders don't wake up one day and commit their worst crime. They get there one unchecked decision at a time.
Now, the narrator brings up a massive point at the end regarding systemic legal reform. She has a long history of property destruction, burglary, and probation violation. Yet, she continuously gets released on bond. Under the U.S. Constitution, suspects generally have a right to a reasonable bail unless they are deemed a flight risk or a capital danger to the community. But repeat offenses heavily influence how a judge views future bond hearings. So I got another question for you guys. Do you think repeat offenders should face mandatory bond denials after a certain number of felonies? Or do you believe in the current system? Let me know below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown of how a drive-thru disturbance turns into a major court case, slam the like button, subscribe to the channel, and keep your mind state sharp. I'll see you on the next video. I leave with peace and love, and I'll see you on the other side.